Welcome to the Puppyville Café. We offer food from the four corners of the world. We welcome all breeds of dog or cat. Welcome to the Puppyville Café.
Claire, come on!
Is this the Puppyville Café?
Yes, this is the Puppyville Café.
Wonderful. Now, who are the customers here at the Puppyville Café?
These. Welcome to the Puppyville Café. A few customers will have to stay because we don't have enough chairs.
There's not enough chairs?
Nope.
Okay, customers, why don't you come sit here at the Puppyville Café? Or stand if there's not enough chairs.
Here, I'll move this.
Here we have a lion and a tiger, and some puppies, and a Colin.
It's Colin James. Colin James. Colin James. Don't do that, Colin James. There's a happy holidays.
All right, everybody. What are we going to order from the Puppyville Café?
I got the menu.
You have the menu. Why don't you put it down on the table?
I got a pixel.
We're going to get a look at the menu here.
Yeah. Owner fish burgers, pizza, everything is $100.
$100? That sounds very expensive.
The big pickle.
Ooh,
10 cents.
big pickle sounds good.
Colin James.
Colin James? You can eat Colin?
It's Puppy's idea. It was Puppy's idea.
Puppy? That's your idea?
Yeah.
This Puppyville Cafe is pretty crazy. What do you think about it, Maddie?
It's awesome.
It's awesome. Plop, plop.
Again, Puppy's idea.
Okay.
You want to see the TV?
Sure.
Turn it on. TV. Look.
Oh.
Okay. A clown dog throwing pie, cherry pie, water, and Hershey Kisses at another.
Oh, this is very nice.
Oh.
All right. Did anybody put in their order yet to Maddie?
Keep reading the menu.
All right. Is anybody gonna order? Is anybody gonna order anything?
I'm the chef. I'm the chef. Remember? Oh, what do you want to have? Yeah. Okay, Claire, finish reading the menu. You forgot. Pizza, everything, the big pickle, Colin James, spoon, and blah blah. What do you want? Wait, you forgot the sides. Oh yeah, many pizzas, pickles, and applesauce.
Oh, lovely.
You forgot the. Where is it? Oh, you forgot that. I just forgot it. I erased it because it's sticky. Oh, come on. It was a good menu idea.
All right. What are you gonna order, Claire?
I didn't order. I didn't order Colin. No. I didn't order Colin. The original menu idea was Colin James.
All right, everybody. It's getting too crazy at the Puppyville Cafe. Everybody say, have a good night.
Original menu. Have a good night.
Have a good night.
Bye. Bye. Welcome. Come to the Puppyville Cafe.
Thank you.